All right, so now we'll take a look at number 4 and number 6 on tonight's homework. We'll start with number 6, just because I feel like doing something different. So, on number 6, let's find the difference between the y's. So from -2 to the -1, I add 1. And from -6 to -3, I add 3. So my first fraction, or my first slope, remember it's y over x, so it's 1 over 3. On my next difference, I go from -1 to 0, which means I add 1. From -3 to 0, I add 3. So that means I have 1 over 3 for my second. Keep going. From 0 to 2, I add 2. From 0 to 6, I add 6. So I have 2 over 6. Looks different, or is it different? And then from 2 to 3, it's add 1. From 6 to 9, it's plus 3. So the only fraction that's different is 2 over 6. But can I reduce 2 over 6? Yes, I can, to 1 over 3, which means that's my slope. Now, where's my y-intercept? It's where we go to the x column and find 0, and that will point us to where our y-intercept is, and hold on, there's nothing in the y-intercept, so I don't need to write anything. I'm done. Y equals 1/3 x. All right, now let's go ahead and do number 4, since that was so fast. All right, so let's do the change in y first. From -7 to -1, that means I have to add 6. And from -4 to -1, I add 3. So my first fraction is 6 over 3. All right, from -1 to +1, I add 2. And then from -1 to 0, I add 1. So 2 over 1 is my next fraction. Moving on, from 1 to 9, I add 8. From 0 to 4, I add 4. So my next fraction is 8 over 4. And then from 9 to 17, I add 8. From 4 to 8, I add 4. And so my last fraction is 8 over 4. All these fractions reduce. 6 over 3 is 2 over 1. 8 over 4 is 2 over 1. So they're all the same, meaning the slope is 2 over 1. I could just write 2x, though. The y-intercept, we find 0 in the x column, and it points us to where the y-intercept is at +1, so that means I write y equals 2x plus 1. That's all there is to it.